Okay. Eve, I remember in 1998, I watched a movie, Great Expectations, a Charles Dickens novel's movie version. And I remember a great soundtrack, and I remember I almost fell in love with all the songs of Tori Amos. And when I listened to your song, I couldn't help but think, okay, this is the new Tori Amos, because you remind me of her in that soundtrack. Did you ever hear about that before?
I have heard some people say that it, makes them feel similar. Yes, so that's great. I love Tori Amos. So thank you.
Me too.
Me too.
Okay, I have a question for you.
Yes.
We know you believe in the power of music, and you're trying to point out to a few issues. One of them includes empowerment of women. Can you talk about this a little bit for us?
Sure. I am committed to bringing love and balance to the world, and especially love and harmony between men and women. I'm very passionate about women being self-expressed, and that's definitely a focus in my music. A lot around. I believe a lot of that comes from, and most of it comes through communication, acceptance, and self-expression. So,
Thank you.